Type gwynedd.gov.uk/Gwynedd Challenge into the address bar and it will take you to a page which explains the financial challenge. Click on the link at the bottom of the page to fill in the survey. We ask for your postcode so that we can identify local patterns of priorities or trends. The record of your questionnaire answers contains no information to identify you. Click on the grey boxes and the available options will appear. After you have filled in the relevant white boxes, click Next to start the exercise. In order to continue to maintain those services that are essential to local people, Gwynedd Council no longer have an option but to identify £7 million worth of service cuts, which are to be implemented from April 2016 onwards. The Council has identified £12 million worth of possible cuts, which is £5 million more than the £7 million needed. These options are noted on this page in 5 categories. In order to influence the key decisions Gwynedd councillors must make, you will now have the opportunity to choose from the list which services within the categories concerned you do not want to cut. To proceed to the options, click on one of the categories. The session will come to an end automatically if there is inactivity for 20 minutes. You can save your session at any time during the exercise and come back to it later. To save your session, click the Save My List button. Type in your email address in the box and you will receive an automatic message which includes a link that will take you back to the questionnaire. In yellow on the left-hand side of the page, you will see the possible cuts in each category. Click on the small box "I don't want to cut this" under the service you want to keep. When you do this, the sum in the Do Not Cut box on the right-hand side of the screen will change. Remember, you can save up to £5 million worth of services. On some proposals, you will find that there is more than one possible option to choose from. For example, you can choose not to cut a service at all, or only cut parts of the service. Don't worry if the options in your list come to more than £5 million at this point. You will have the opportunity to change your choices at the end. When you have finished looking through the different options in one category, click on the next category on the right-hand side of the screen and follow the same procedure for the categories which are relevant to you. Remember, you can stop and save your progress at any point during the exercise and come back to it later. Before submitting the questionnaire, you can view your choices by clicking on See Your List. When you have reached £5 million and the grey line has turned green, you are ready to submit. At the end of the questionnaire, you will have the opportunity to answer one question about council tax.